So my people, this is a true story. I want you people to judge this thing. This lady now, she's the one selling this bag. She sells okrika. You know okrika, if you bring the bell from abroad, you open it. Sometimes you find something in it. I could remember when I was small, I know someone that was selling okrika in Aba that time. Those days, he used to bring, that time Germany was using Denmark, Dutch mark. He used to bring some Dutch mark. That's where I saw Dutch mark first, because if their bell enters, they'll open it, get some of the money they will get there, some coins, some papers. That's how they used to do that. So all these okrika people, if they bring their bell, they will search it before they start selling it. So this lady now opened bell newly. They were not too fast to search. Then a customer came to buy something. She bought a bag, but the bag has not been handed over to her, before the girl now opened the bag and found some dollars in it. And this girl said no, since she has bought the bag, the money, everything belongs to her. Just watch this and tell me if it's really okay. Just drop your comment in the comment section. Let's see who is right here. The owner of the shop is claiming that this money is hers because she searches her goods before she starts selling. But this woman came early, that's why she sold it to her. So before giving it to her, she opened it to do her normal routine to search it. She now found money inside, and this girl claimed that since she has bought the bag, she has paid for the bag belongs to her, and everything inside the bag belongs to her. So my people, just judge this thing, judge it.
Thanks for watching. Maybe Nigerians go judge me. You see me, I don't like problem. So I opened this bag bill, as you can see. Okay. So this lady, is somebody that I even know. She came because she called me that she wants to buy bags. She came and bought bags. Now this bag, are you sure you're videoing this thing? These bags, she has already bought this bag. Actually, she has paid for it, 4,000 naira. Now at the point of giving her the bag, because normally that's what I even tell my guests. No, not there. Where are you people?
Madam, wait.
No, madam, don't tell me. Hold on. Madam, hold on. Hold on.
Do you realize that I've paid for this bag?
I know.
So what are you saying?
Calm down. There's something I'm trying to do.
I'm calm. I'm calm.
Thank you. Please, they have brought light. So now, what I'm saying now is that she has bought fine and good. She has paid for the bag. These are the 2 bags she wanted to collect. So now, this particular bag now, she now said this is the one she will pay for. Collecting this bag now, I say okay, because normally we search when we want to sell anything in the shop. Is there anytime we don't search bags?
No.
We search bags. We even clothes sometimes when we have chance we search it, because sometimes we find things inside. So this one now, I say okay, let me search before giving her the bag. I brought her this thing, and this lady saw this money inside. Bring that thing and see what it is inside. So we saw this. I see this one too.
No, now wait.
I don't understand. I don't understand. Is it your bag? Okay, it's okay.
Madam.
It's okay. So sorry. It's okay. Sorry for my tune. Now we saw this money inside the bag. I've not even checked. This one self don't
even you see.
Now she dey drag am. Now this thing 30 in the first place. So we saw this money inside this bag. Now the thing is that she is saying is her stuff.
Because our own now.
I tell because she.
How is it your own?
It's our thing now.
Now that I've paid the money without even your consent, you did not even know you had something like this. How is it your own?
But we used to check now. So anything like this that is our own.
Madam, please, this one that you are saying now is your own business. Because give me back when I don't pay money. I don't want drag relationship with you.
Okay, I know. No, please, I'm not hearing Akwa Ibom. Okay, I'm not selling the bag again. Abi?
Go to lie.
Don't sell the bag again.
You never refund money give me before. No. Madam, don't do make I drag you.
I don't understand. I don't understand.
For this bag, please kindly give me this bag.
Okay, give her bag she pay for. Give her bag what she pay for.
Like, are you kidding me?
How am I going to do it?
No. Madam,
wait. No, leave.
No do. I beg. No do am. No be you are from pay money. No do am.
No.
Whole what? Are you alright? Whole what?
Our money.
Which money?
Did I put
Have you touched dollar before?
Did I put your
Have you touched dollar before?
This one.
Come and touch now. Let me see. Madam, do
I don't understand. Which kind of talk is that one?
Madam,
which
I go.
I don't understand.
You my face.
I don't understand. I still want I still $1,000 my bag.
Hey, mama, she give her this one now. Make she carry this one.
This thing is not play now. You people should stop it. This thing is not play.
Mama, waiting at the top, we say, if she no want carry the bag, you no want sell again.
Okay, wait. The bag na my own, Abi. I still choose not to sell. No be so. I will not sell it now.
Not for yourself. Don't worry.
Carrying this thing with that one. Who you want call?
Take now.
You go call. Go call now. When you make your call, me too. I make my own call.
Relax now.
No wahala. Make your call. Me too. I make my own call. Which kind of thing is that one?
Man, I did this money now. How much now?
This thing almost 2 million. This are you serious?
She say no problem.
Come on, money. They want point. Check dollars how much money.
Man, she not much things like that.
Video you wait till she dey talk.
As I buy that bag now, finish. I don't pay money. I am calm. I'm calm. But
Come carry the, you see? Something when you say my life don't change.
Bag wey she don pay for.
I bet carry
She don pay for the bag. That's okay. Now the bag. I say okay. You wait. This money now.
If you don't want to say I want to
Yes, I said that bag. With where is that necklace? Who carry? I don't want to find necklace.
What should they report? What should they report? Mama, let's do that necklace now.
I don't understand.
You gave it to somebody.
Esther.
Esther, don't laugh so.
Don't give me necklace, so.
I did not give you.
No, I just saw that money here.
I say I collected the necklace.
Which necklace?
No.
Which necklace?
When they inside this thing now?
Take your seat down. Una madam don train una finish. If una like, go hide am for madam like this finish. If you like, go hide am for your pint. When time reach, na me bread go comot am. We no dey see for you. Don't worry. See, she buy the bag. You understand? You know, say okay. Normally, now she was not here when this matter started. Okay, now normally, before we sell, especially bags, what do we do to them?
Check them.
Okay. Now we check the bag. Yes, because it's our bill. It's our bill.
We used to check out the bag.
Why you didn't check before I came?
No.
You don't open bail. You don't open bail. So for your mind,
no, now, we don't always check them now. We never even arrange the bag. See where they arrange the bag.
Oh, check them. Check them where?
Mother, no understand.
I don't know. Okay, on a normal day, you the video.
Like, are you even videoing me?
No, we need.
Why is she videoing me?
No. Even we have camera in this office, so that one is.
Madam, why are you videoing me?
No,
Why are you videoing me? Why are you videoing me?
I will send you this thing. I will send you this thing.
Don't video me.
No, do you get the money? No, that's what they get. Now you get money. Now you get money.
They make call outside. Who they call? They call police.
What do they talk? We know
We got rich police. They got.
We don't want to. Okay.
Okay, now we get back. Say
No wahala. Make she come carry the bag. Make she no pay.
I don't hear.
Carry the bag that she brought.
hey, mama, no be smart. What should they call?
I don't know. How many minutes for you?
She dey call person don keep day. Why the person dey? You hear wetin she dey talk?
Sister Frita. Better go talk to your madam, man.
Madam, come, you want to tell this thing and make it work.
It's okay. Let's settle this matter.
Mama, this is our money.
This is the money you gave to us. You take it. We'll give you that.
I need this bag, including the things that
Mama, thank God say the money you not give us. Make she search her.
The money they inside the bag she won't buy.
I know the technique. The know that you know what they happen for this shop, our shop.
I don't pay money for this thing, before she says she wants search.
Now she got search her now because she gives you
our bag.
Yes, and that's what we get. She inside.
I've seen go change.
Like, are you being real right now? So why is this 1,000 now killing your head?
I don't understand. Why you even insulting me? You never start like that. Don't let me call change because of you.
See, I dey tell you.
Madam,
You see the thing they make you dey
Madam,
beg. Na sporting they make you dey
I don't
beg.
use and they play.
Okay.
Look my eye. I don't feel look your face
Madam,
sometimes.
you don't
They hear me, ba?
Don't dey go.
I beg, just give me money. Give me money. I come on.
Come dey go, you dey my shop. Come dey
She
go.
said me give her money.
Give me back. Give me
money.
money. Money wey you give me.
Now the money where I don't take buy
again.
something. Be the
Madam,
money.
wait till I find.
I say I don't
See
say
the
it.
bag.
When they see what I cry, when the money, when the
See the bag.
necklace, I see inside.
See the bag.
See they grab gold. You never see gold before.
No, you don't see God before.
Your own, no be your own.
Hey, you better not talk am.
I don't say she don't spoil all of una, but leave me with am.
How she take spoil am?
Make we drag
Where
am
you get the
together.
information
They hear
from?
me, ba?
Where you
Make
get the
the money, make I dey
information?
go.
Where you get am from? That information no clear. I don't understand. You go inside.
I don't see $200 before. $200 I don't see before. I don't see chain. I don't see so many things. So we know they use all those things play. We they always they check. Eh?
You always be check. Exactly, they check before anything. I don't understand.
You see the brother she don't call the word come for us.